rencontré Roger lors d'un safari qu'on a effectué donc en Ouganda et ça a été notre guide durant une dizaine de jours. Il nous a fait découvrir tout le monde animal. Il nous a surtout transmis des émotions lors des rencontres d'animaux et aussi des rencontres humaines. Et on a pu, toute notre famille et Roger, avoir une relation particulière grâce à ces émotions. Aider Roger, c'est aussi être en aide directe sans passer par une grosse ONG. On a instauré une relation de confiance forte entre Roger et nous.
I'm very grateful and thankful, so thankful to you guys that you're still in position to check on us. I want to begin buying fresh food like from the villages and take it to towns. So if I'm able to take the food to town, then I'll be realizing a difference. So these are some of the goats that I had bought, a few of them. Yeah, I have a small house. It's a 2-room house. It's a boys' quarter that I had built in the village. And this is where I stay. You can look at the house. That's the house. It is small but good enough for me. Yeah, so this is where I stay. And yeah, I'm trying to raise funds such that I can load at least 2 tons of fresh food. Then when I take them to Kampala, Luwero, or Wakiso, then I'm able to like sell this food to the food stores and realize some profits on it. But otherwise at the moment I don't have the start of capital. That's why I'm still here at home, but a little bit doing some agriculture.
Et on s'est rendu compte qu'au-delà du safari, on avait des discussions sur sa vie personnelle, ses engagements, sa vie sociale et on s'est vite rendu compte comment dire, il était engagé et il avait une réflexion sur son bien-être et le bien-être de sa famille et de son pays.
So these are the groundnuts. I planted some maize at the start of the COVID-19. These are 21 days old. The maize you can see. Yeah, I'm trying myself, but it's not enough to sustain my family and look after my mother. So any help rendered to me, I'll be very, very, very appreciative.
Et aider Roger, c'est aussi être en aide directe sans passer par une grosse ONG. On a instauré une relation de confiance forte entre Roger et nous. Et donc, on a totalement confiance en la personne qu'il est, l'être humain qu'il a pu être pendant ces 10 jours. Depuis notre retour, au mois de juillet 2019, nous n'avons pas cessé d'être en lien au-delà du safari terminé.
It's not easy for me to come out with something like this. So that's why I'm planning and trying to make other plans of like buying foodstuffs in the villages, like where I live, where it is a little bit cheap. Then I can put them on a truck, take them to town and sell. It has ready market, the market is there. The problem would be transport, but I've gotten in touch with someone who has a small car that I can hire. As a way of cutting down the costs, he has agreed that I can drive it myself. So I will not be paying money for the driver. I'll be driving myself. Yeah. So that's my plan. Yeah, for the start I'm looking at like 3 million Uganda shillings, which is about 800 US dollars. So for the start, I managed to sell the cow that I had bought, and I've raised 500,000, which is a $500,000 Uganda shillings. So I'm less by 2.5 million to kickstart the business of vending food.